These are 10 millimeter to get this. That's a battery from the Passat I had for 2 minutes. And now I have, maybe that battery is gonna work. Maybe things are just shaping up to be a really cool deal. A cool. So at this point, I have some time before the lighting gets all whacked out. I'm going to go ahead and take off a few items from the top of this engine, because it's going to take some time to take. I'm going to try to do a little bit every day. Like I said, the way you eat a van with one bolt at a time. And then I'm going to get this engine out, get this engine delivered to the, I should get the transmission rebuilt out there for someone to say, hey, don't work on this van, don't do it. Get the transmission rebuilt, and well, engine rebuilt, get this whole van rebuilt. But while I'm working on this, I want you to look at this video. I made a comparison of a G-Wagon to this Caravan. So take a look at this video and tell me if there's features that the G-Wagon has that this doesn't. Because if I'm going to spend $32,000 on a used vehicle, even though I could probably get a bank loan and all that business, I could get $3,000. Get this thing on point. Boom. Right. 2005. Look at how cool it is inside. My belly's bigger. I got a big ponce deer. I hold it in. No one ever see it. So I'm gonna try to take off that intake manifold, G55, whatever that means. I don't even know what that means. There's my G-Wagon right here. Compared to two V8 and AMG. I guess AMG is a good thing, but well, that's not the intake manifold. Maybe it is. If I'm using wrong terminology, well, think I made up. Oh shoot, that's wrong terminology. But anyways, I took the cap, what's it called? Distributor. It's not distributor. Hood. Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Here it is. I'm gonna put up the thing. Hold it with my shoulder. Whatever that means. I don't even know what that means. There's my G-Wagon right here. Compared to two V8 and AMG. I guess AMG is a good thing, but think I made up. Oh shoot, didn't mean to do that, but I these are the tools, and a vacuum if you have an old engine that has a lot of crap in it that you need to vacuum out. That's the tools. And a lot of patience. And remember, the tumbler needs to be repaired. So if you know how to repair a tumbler, well, maybe I can even repair a tumbler. Yeah, for one of the videos content. But have to go to. So I took the intake off of this van. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and take the wires, the fuel injector wires off. So I'm kind of doing this for myself to remember what this is and where it went. So it just kind of pop off like this. Oh, shadows. Shadows and everything. There you go. Looks like I need a vacuum. But until I vacuum, I'm gonna just keep on at this. So, here we go. Remember to be sure to check for any tools that you left behind. Alternator's out. And yeah, hopefully you got something out of this to help you be encouraged to do your own project. But remember, if you don't know anything about tools or anything about mechanical or automotive stuff, have a friend. Well, I did what I can this time around. Probably gonna need both hands to take the alternator off, but I started out here maybe 1:30. It's almost 3:30 right now, so 2 hours. So hey, one bolt at a time, baby. Then before you know it, I'm gonna be cruising down Sunset Boulevard, or Santa Monica Boulevard, or Pacific Coast. I'll be cruising, whatever. What did I say about one bolt at a time? That's how you do a project. That's my life slogan. You're gonna get it done. You're gonna get it done one bolt at a time. But anyways, just for the record, this needs to come off. Everything needs this engine has to be almost bare when you take it to the engine shop. So all these components and everything need to come off. So there you go. Alternator, power cord. I left the nuts and bolts on the alternator. So point of reference, these lines are for Yeah, these are the lines for those spark plugs on that side. I found a squid, check this out. These are all the vacuum lines, look at this. And I vacuumed more. And a squid. So these vacuum lines were right down the middle. If I could remove this from a junkyard car, be kind of cool. Or if I could make it from scratch just for fun, because I do like doing stuff like that. So this fuel rail with the fuel injectors are one half socket. Fuel, and then I've taken this off once before, so I knew how to do it already, so that was pretty fast.